So this is the gosun portable oven. So I don't really find this very portable. It is a solar oven. It is the same size as the gosun Go. So the tube that comes with this is the exact same tube and tray as the gosun Go. And this thing costs a lot less money. So this normally sells for $70. They recently had it on sale for $35, but I also had an additional coupon code, so I got as low as $25 for this. So yeah, absolutely awesome deal. Oven capacity is 12.5 fluid ounces. Dry weight 1.4 pounds. You get the little dimensions here. Yeah, maximum cooking is 550 degrees Fahrenheit or 288 degrees Celsius. Working temperatures are here. So this is the gosun Go oven kit opening. And so at the top here we have these are like the little things that hold the gosun up. And they're like made out of plastic, but they're pretty solid plastic. And we get 2 of those. Yep. We also get like some little literature here on the gosun. Let's put those off to the side and let's open up the rest of our stuff. It also has a little pamphlet there that you can get. We open it up, it has this piece of thing here, and I see one piece that fell out. Looks like a little top. Let's put all the little pieces off to the side and see what's inside of each one of these little things, and then I'll put everything out on the table and we'll put it together. This is everything that came in the box. We have 2 reflectors inside this bag. We have a little thing that cleans. We have a rubber stopper. We have the little pan that you use. This here is the tube, and those are the plastic pieces. Okay, we first start by putting the tube onto these 2 plastic upright things. They just slide right in, really simple, right here. Slide in both sides. Now there's gonna be reflectors that go here and here. This is the tray that the food goes into. And then this is the little cap that goes on there. I'll show you how that goes together. So this is the gosun solar oven kit together. It's basically the same size as the gosun Go. Now the gosun Go is a little bit nicer because it comes in its own case. But I got this on sale for $25. It normally sells for $70, this one, but I've seen it on sale quite a bit for around $40, $45. And yeah, so we're gonna test it out really shortly here, and I'm gonna cook a number of different type of foods in there. Now I have a lot of dietary restrictions. I can't have food with onions. That includes onion powder, onion salt. I get violently ill if I do. I know that really sucks, doesn't it? Because there's so many really nice and great foods. And like restaurants, I can't eat at restaurants because of that. I also have some dietary restrictions from, health-wise, and I have to have low carb food, low sodium food, and also low cholesterol food. So yeah, man, it's like crazy. I have like really strange diets, so I have to cook all my own food. I don't mind cooking all my own food. It's actually fine. Anytime my area has a burn ban, that's where you cannot cook with an open flame. That'd be charcoal, grill, propane, backpacker stove, whatever. This is a potential other option because there is no flame, so it can't start a fire. But it's supposed to work and cook upwards to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to try this out. That's why I bought this little one for $25. We're going to test out this solar cooker and see if the technology works. If it does, I'll buy a bigger one for those times when I need to cook food and there is a burn ban in effect. That's really what I got it for. But, yeah, it looks like pretty good. This little top thing here is pretty neat. Here's the little tray. There's the tube. There's the stands. And then these are the reflectors. And it also comes with a thing to clean the tube out. This thing. And it also came with a bag. I don't know if I would put the tube in the bag. And then the tube itself has a pillow it goes into. So yeah, this thing looks pretty cool. And so I'm going to share some other videos with you in the future and try to cook a number of different things in here and just see what it does and see if it works. Bye.